Okay, so on Gretta's team, she was working with Cassidy, and they were going for this look, the unicorn.
Yes.
That's Jenna Dewan's unicorn.
Yes.
Amazing. I agree, that is amazing. I'm not a unicorn girl. Even as a little girl, I hated pink and purple and rainbows. Please. But this, I like. Let's see how it came out. Come on out, Cassidy. Are killing it.
Can you believe what they did?
Now, okay, Cassidy, again, I have to say, did you keep this legit? You did this.
I did this.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Do you feel that you could achieve this if she wasn't standing literally right next to you?
The guidance was definitely an A+, but I think, you know, unicorns are a bunch of glitter, so you just can't be shy. You got to add it on.
Right.
The guidance definitely helped, though, for sure.
Are you happy with it?
I love it, yeah.
Oh my God, you look like a real unicorn. So, Gretta, what are your tips? Because I bet you people are going to want to rip off both of these. You people are going to have a really tough job. Remember, you have to decide who's going to get this priceless trophy here. So, Gretta, what did you do?
So, first thing is that what I love about this, and a lot of these looks, and for Cindy's too, is this is makeup you already have. You might even have makeup. I have never been in a makeup drawer or a bag that didn't have some things that were either broken or needed to go away. So, save that bag for Halloween. On this chip, the thing we loved is that we could go over and over. More is more on Halloween makeup. So, glitter, shine, mixing textures. So, like Cindy said, use a crayon, but also a gel with glitter and layer it. It's really about the layering and the building, because you don't want to look like you just went out with bad makeup in here. You want to look in costume. So it totally is different than anything you do with your everyday makeup. So what she did was we put on really straight pink pigment, and then she went over it with a gel glitter that we bought. So you know, that's the thing. And you can literally, if you didn't have that, just use, you know how you have that little shiny highlighter that you never use in your 4-quad of makeup?
Right.
You know, in your eyeshadow?
And you're always like, why did they ruin
That's
this
right.
perfectly good set by adding that?
And one of the tips I learned from Cindy a long time ago is break that up, get it out of that foursome of your browns, keep it in a little separate pot, and she used that all over to give her that pearl glow, Rachel.
Nice.
From her neck to her nose, and she'll just put that in the closet for next year, because who wants to spend all that money on Halloween makeup?
Now, how did you do the hair?
That is a spray can of silver. It's silver spray. It comes out in one wash, and you don't need any precision at all. All I told her is what? Hold your hand over your face, because we didn't want it to be silver in her face. And she just sprayed, just like she was spraying, from hairline back, ponytail, and then this is just a wig or a hairpiece, and we just tied it up.
Did it come all rainbow mane like that?
It comes rainbow mane in any beauty supply store or online you want to go.